So maybe I want to try another scenario with the same design. All you have to do is just click on the new scenario, and I'm going to make this an even higher exhaust. So I added that. Same model, same program. I didn't have to exit out and reload. I'm going to change the flow rate on the exhaust so that it's even higher than it was previously. We'll make it 300 versus 200. And then I'll mesh, and then we ran again. So now what I can do, since I've set up two different scenarios, is I can open up what's called the decision center, and that lets me compare side by side the two scenarios that I have running for this design. I can even add an additional design. Let's say I wanted to go and maybe change the architectural profile of this building. I could bring it back in and add another design, and we can compare the different designs and the different scenarios all within the same instance of this program. So this really helps firm up which iterative processes you want to look at. Here I'm comparing the pressures in the room at key points. So as you'll notice, it makes sense that in my original design, as you'll see on the screen, I have a slightly higher pressure in the room. And then in my second scenario, where I had a higher flow rate on the exhaust, we have almost a slight vacuum because I'm pulling more air out of the room than I am introducing air into the room. And then you can export this to Excel, or you can add these graphs to whatever reports you're running right out of this program. So here's a plot showing that. In my results, I can also take pictures and compare the two designs to each other, or however many designs I have. So in this case, I have, again, the high exhaust and the regular exhaust tracers, and I can see that there's a slightly, it's slightly different here. But what I want to really focus on is the fact that this picture isn't a static picture. I can zoom in, I can orbit, and I can look at all different aspects of it from within here. So it really helps after the fact that you've run all of your scenarios to look at the reports without having to open this program and that program and look at different pictures. Simulation CFD gives you, or it affords you, the luxury of doing this all within the same program.